To crochet the bird ornament, first we have to make a flat circle of half double crochet stitches. So let's start with the half double crochet flat circle first. To make the flat circle, grab any of your yarn and your hook. Make chain 4. Slip stitch into the first chain. Then here we form a circle. For row 1, chain 2 and place 10 half double crochet into the circle. So here is 1 half double crochet. Here's my second half double crochet. Third half double crochet. So keep on making half double crochet, counting till 10. So here is the third, and then 4th, 5th, 6th till count till 10, and I'll be meeting you in the end of this round. And I just placed my 9th half double crochet, and now I'll be placing my last or the 10th half double crochet. Slip stitch into the second chain. But I'm not going to slip stitch with the same yarn, so I'm going to grab another color yarn and complete my slip stitch. Tie a knot to secure the stitch. Now cut the previous yarn. For row 2, place chain 2, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, and you very well know how do I place my very first stitch in the beginning of a round. So slipping your hook into the top stitch here, then going into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, make sure you slip out of this hook too, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops, place 2 half double crochet in all the other stitches. So into the next stitch I placed 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet. Into each and every stitch place 2 half double crochet. And in round 2 you will have 22 stitches in total. Now slip stitch in the second chain here. Don't complete your slip stitch. I'll be completing my slip stitch with another color yarn. So it's completely on you whether you want to make it multiple color as I am making, but if you want of a single color, then you can just continue with the same color yarn. Tie a knot to secure your stitch. For round 3, chain 2, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch. So this is how I place my very first stitch in the beginning of a round, slipping hook into the slip stitch here, then into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip out your hook from this stitch also, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this gives a neat look. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, two half double crochet into the next stitch. So the pattern for this row is placing 1 half double crochet into the next and 2 half double crochet into the next. So you just have to repeat the pattern of placing 1 half double crochet into the next stitch and 2 half double crochet into the next stitch all the way round. Place a slip stitch in the second chain. But don't complete the slip stitch. Grab your next color yarn and complete your slip stitch. Tie a knot to secure your stitch. For row 4, chain 2, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. One half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, two half double crochet into the next stitch. So the pattern for this row is 1 half double crochet into the next, 1 half double crochet into the next, and 2 half double crochet into the next, and you have to repeat this pattern till the end of this round. Slip stitch in the second chain. Grab another color yarn and complete your slip stitch. Tie a knot to secure your work. For row 5, chain 2, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. One half double crochet into the next stitch, one half double crochet into the next stitch, one half double crochet into the next stitch. So we placed 2 stitches into the first and 1 stitch into next of the 3 stitches. So this is the pattern for this round, placing 2 half double crochet into the next stitch and 1 half double crochet into next of the 3 stitches, and you have to repeat this pattern till the end of this round. I am very close to the end of this round and I have only 3 stitches left, and I am going to place 1 half double crochet into each of the last 3 stitches. Place a slip stitch in the second chain. Complete the slip stitch with another yarn. For row 6, chain 2, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, one half double crochet into next of the 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Place 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So the pattern for this round is 1 half double crochet in next of the 4 stitches and 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So keep on repeating this pattern till the end of this round. Here I am very close to the end of this round and I have only 4 stitches left. I am going to place 1/2 double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Slip stitch into the second chain. Here I am using all the scratch yarns and I'm not finding the beginning of the yarn. Okay, I got it. Now complete your slip stitch with the next yarn. For row 7, chain 2, 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch, one half double crochet into next of the 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So the pattern for this round is 1 half double crochet into next of the 5 stitches and 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Now place a slip stitch into the second chain. Fasten off. So now let's crochet the wings. So for the wings, make chain 9. From second chain, work a single crochet. Half double crochet into next 2 chains. Double crochet into next 2 chains. Half double crochet into next 2 chains. Single crochet into the last chain. One more single crochet into the same chain. And now I'll be working on the other side of these chains. So place half double crochet into next of the 2 chains. Double crochet into next of the 2 chains. Half double crochet in next of the 2 chains. And single crochet into the last chain. Work single crochet into each and every stitch, starting from the very first stitch, going all the way down till this last stitch. Place a single crochet into this very first stitch and into each and every stitches. And now I'm going to place my very last single crochet stitch. Now fasten off, leaving a long tail behind to sew the wing to the body of the bird. So you just have to fold the circle so that the wrong side is inside and the right side is outside, and you have to sew the wings like this, okay, like this over here. So you have to make another one, and into the same place on this side you have to sew the other wing also. Take any color yarn that you wish for And now we'll be making the chain, the one chains to join it in here and hang our bud. So for that, make chain 40. Okay, so you just can make chain 40, folding both the sides together like this. I will just join this here. So just see how I'm joining. So okay, so now let's go to the next. So for the wings we did it, it's here, and the body is done. The hanging, the rope to hang it is also done. And now let's make the legs. So for the legs it's also same. You just have to make chain 28. So for the legs I'm going to chain 28, cut off the yarn, weave in both the end, this and this, and then we are just going to fold it in half and just use it as the legs of our bud. So first weave in both the ends. So for the flower, make chain 4. You can choose any petal color, flower color yarn. So here I have to taken red color. So once you have done the chain 4, now slip stitch into the very first chain. Okay, now for the round 2, make chain 2 and place 9 single crochet into the circle. So 1, 2, 3. So count, so place single crochet counting up to 9. Slip stitch into the second chain. For round 2, chain 2 and place 1 double crochet into the same stitch. One half double crochet in the same stitch. And place a slip stitch into the next stitch. And repeat this petal pattern in each of the stitches. So let me show you again. So I placed a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 2, place 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, and slip stitch into the next stitch. So repeat the pattern again, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch, and slip stitch into the next stitch. So repeat this pattern till the end of this round. I am very close to the end of this round and I am left with one more stitch, and I'm going to place a slip stitch into that stitch and chain 2, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 1 half double crochet into the same, and slip stitch into the very beginning stitch here. And fasten off. And I'm going to attach this flower here. I'm going to use buttons for the eyes. So if you have any small buttons, then you can use them. So okay, I guess these buttons will look good. So for the beak, you can take orange, but I don't have orange at home, so I took red color. For the beak, make chain 5. Now into the second chain from hook, place a single crochet, and into the next also till the end of this row. So we have 4 single crochet stitches in total. Now chain 1 and turn, single crochet into the same stitch and into the next 3 stitches. Okay, now chain 1, turn your work, skip the very first stitch and into the next place a single crochet, and into the next place a single crochet, and place a slip stitch into the next stitch. Okay, now chain 1 and turn your work and skip the very first stitch and into the next place a single crochet, and into the next place a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and skip the first stitch, skip this very first stitch, and into this only single stitch place a single crochet. Okay, and fasten off. So this is the beak waving the end. And we are going to attach the beak this way. So while we'll start sewing the sides, the edge, so we'll just put it inside and sew all of them together. So now let's assemble all of them together. Now once you have attached the wings, eyes on both the sides of your project, so this is the front part because the flower is facing this side, and now we'll be working on the edge to close it. And while working on the edge, I'm going to attach the beak of this bird. So this is how I'm going to attach. I'll just put it in between here and I will sew it all together. So let's start. Make sure you are sewing everything together. The beak is attached properly. Now sew it together till this midpoint, and this is where we are going to attach the legs. So till this midpoint, keep on joining the edge by sewing it, and when you reach here, I'll tell you what to do next. So once you have reached the midpoint, now fold it in half, and these are the legs of our bird. So just put it inside like this and okay, this way, and then sew on the edge. Now keep on sewing on the edge, and if you want you can just add some polyfill inside it, just a little, because you obviously won't want your part to be very bulky, so just a little bit if you wish. And now sew it till the end.
And here it's done. So hope you loved this tutorial. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.